you want to know how to fix TikTok watch history not showing problem, you've come to the right place. So let's open our TikTok app, and as you can see, if you want to find some videos we viewed like maybe 1 day ago or maybe more, we have the solution. We can click on profile in the right bottom corner, then just click on more on these 3 lines in the right top corner. Then just click on settings and privacy, and here we have the folder which is called comment and watch history in content and display. And if we'll click on it, we can easily click on watch history right up now, and we'll find all the videos we watched. So we can easily find liked videos, like videos which are important as for us. But what if we cannot view them? What if we, for example, don't have this list inside of the settings? So how can we fix it? Basically, all we need to do is just to simply go to settings and privacy once more right up here, and then just scroll down to find support and about, and click on report a problem. So after that, as you can see, we have a lot of different topics we can write about, but as for me, the most suitable one is like videos and sounds. So after that, we can easily click on playing videos, and as you can see, we have like how to find watch history. Click on it. And here we can find a lot of different steps of how can we do. We need to upgrade the version, so you can use App Store or Google Play. Select profile in the lower right corner, tap the more button, and then just choose watch history. Basically, we did it previously, so let's click on no, it didn't help. And now we need to click on need more help. Here we need to explain our problem, so we can write something like this: I don't have watch history, fix it. And then just click on submit. You can also add some screenshots or screen records. So after that, the TikTok support team will receive our message, and probably they will help us, they will fix it. Make sure that you have the latest version. By the way, please go to App Store, find the TikTok, and then if you have the update option, please update it to the latest version. So this is a way of how can we fix TikTok watch history not showing problem. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.